Hi there. I want to show you how to access the files from your Android phone from a Mac OS desktop or laptop. When you plug in your Android phone for the first time, you might get this message that pops up saying can't access device storage. That message doesn't really tell you how to fix the problem. What you want to do is go to your phone, and while it is plugged in to your Mac, look for the notification options. On my phone, I have to swipe down to see the notifications, and I see Android system USB charging this device. Now click on that, and you will see USB charging this device. Tap for more options, and from there you'll see USB, use USB to, and there's several options. Choose transfer files. Once you do that, your Mac will then be able to pick up the files from your phone. It'll now be able to communicate with your Android phone. It's as simple as that. If you try to access the file transfer app, it will refresh and show you all the files on your Android phone.